I'm tired. Moo. I'm a cow. Moo.
Next mountain, there will be 7. Hey.
Look at that hill. It's hill number 1. We are heading to hill number 2. Look who is struggling to walk. And I'm just not struggling. But look at this lazy potato right behind me. Look at him. Watch me. I'm not tired.
Okay, yeah, so just for reference, look at that. Hey. You see a difference between those two, huh?
Gosh, look at him. He doesn't seem tired. This is wrong.
Look at me. Never leave trash, huh?
Look at the lazy potato. There's the lazy potato. Look at him, struggling. He's sweating, dripping wet. No more hiking, we are done. I give up. I give up. Lazy.
I think we just saw Bigfoot. I think I saw his tail, like this brownish tail right in front of us.
I can't talk. I need energy.
We'll be right back.
This guy, this is a dog. Oh, please let's go back.
You wanna go back?
I am tired.
See, this is where we started, huh? And now, where are we? See, we're so close to finish. We are number 6. And you wanna turn back? Okay, let's go back. Africa. Litter. Trash of other people, huh?
I remember last time I couldn't even walk at some point. I was sliding with my ass. And now I can't believe this is the 7th hill and I'm still going.
You know,
Wow.
some things you can't explain, some things you have to do for yourself. And one of the things is going hiking with a German.
I don't think I'm tired. Let's go back. He's tired. He's saying he's the president.
Do you know, yesterday we watched a video of Saddam Hussein's palace on top of the mountain.
Yeah.
Look at it. I think I can do the same here.
I dare you to. You are the president. You can do anything.
You know, your boring ass president is living in the city center, in the state house. Come on. How come we finished and we are still so far up? Huh?
Call 911.
Call Bigfoot.
Finally.
Go to the goal, huh? You're no fun face, huh?
Here we go. It's time to start another show that's pure heart. Sit back, relax, don't be late. Excitement now, we activate. Mystery and fun collide, so buckle up, let's take this ride. New twists, turns at every bend, adventures here, they never